Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add recurring tasks to your application. So let's say you want to start a recurring task today. There's two ways on how you can make recurring tasks. First one is to do it manually. Let's say drink meds. You would only know the time, let's say at 5 o'clock p.m. So Todoist will recognize the time. You could press add task. You could open that task and set the date to repeating every day, every week, every weekday, every Monday, or every year. Let's say it's not for drinking meds, it's for someone's birthday. You could have Todoist remind you of that task every year on a certain date. So let's say you want Todoist to remind you of drinking your meds every day at 5 p.m. Then just click that starting February 22nd, which is tomorrow. Just close the task and go to your upcoming. Then let's say you're done drinking meds. Let's say it's tomorrow and you're done drinking meds and you finish that task. You could just press check button on the left-hand side of that task. You could move to next week and it'll show up to drinking meds at 5 p.m. And if you want to add more to that task, you can add subtasks and you add in like the name of your medications or anything else that you need to do while you're drinking medications. You could also insert description, add the names of your medications, or add any description that you would need to put on about your task. And you could also put in a comment on the tasks that you need to do daily. So that's it. Thank you.